Excel is installed in thousands of different sites in a range of vertical markets across the world, from education to finance, from retail to hospitality. With a focus on system performance, independent verification and a 25-year warranty available, it's easy to see why Excel is the system of choice across so many organisations and different vertical markets. Let's take a closer look at Excel in the health sector. Clinique Saint-Pierre acquired a copper and fibre infrastructure solution to improve the way that the hospital operated and to help staff interact more with their patients. HUS Children's Hospital treats young people from all over the world. The project needed to transform the efficacy of the hospital operations and the patient atmosphere. With new digital services, the hospital staff were able to provide quicker treatment information to young patients and their families through tablet devices, giving them more time to spend face-to-face with their patients. Those were just a couple of the Excel installations in the health sector. Excel products are featured at hospitals and health centres across the world, and the Excel portfolio is continuing to evolve to incorporate products that boast the latest in technological innovations suitable for these environments. For more information about Excel reference sites and the latest installations in your country, please contact our sales team on 0121 326 7557 or send an email to sales@excel-networking.com.